Do you want to make your anime wallpaper clearer? Whether you are an experienced photo editor or know nothing about photo editing, this online AI photo editing tool is very suitable for you. Just search for AVC AI and upload the anime images to the main interface. Here you can see the original size of the images. Now just turn on Upscale, select the 400% size and turn on Face Refinement. Finally click Start Processing, and that's all there is to it. Wait patiently for the image processing to complete, and then you can preview the processing effect. Just zoom out the image a bit, and slide the vertical bar to view the comparison effect before and after processing. Now do the same for the second image. AVC AI upscales the quality of the images while enlarging them. If you are satisfied, just click to download. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.